Okay, we are on the recording. Now question number 2 we have. Can you see the lecture on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Find the acceleration of a body whose velocity increases from from 11 meter per second to 33 meter per second in 10 seconds. Student, as you can see, both velocities are in meter per second given. Okay, so we don't need to convert any unit. Here we have given initial velocity. Initial velocity हमें कितनी given है? जल्दी से बताइए. Initial velocity we have given vi is equal to, yes class, tell me the value of initial velocity. Class, answer me. Tell me the velocity of initial velocity. जी बेटा बताइए. Yes Ismail, what are you saying?
मुझे आप क्वेश्चन एक दो पढ़ते हैं मिस.
Okay, find acceleration of a body. We will have to find out the acceleration whose velocity increases from 11 to 33. These are, we have given velocities 11 to 33 in 10 seconds. So which is the initial velocity? Yes class,
क्या होगा?
tell me, try to give me the answer. Hurry up. It's yes Huma, smile,
Yes, miss.
give me the answer. 11. Okay, 11 meter per second. I write meter per second. This is same meter per ms minus 1 or m upon s. Okay, these are the same, don't need to worry about it. We have given initial velocity. First velocity is given as initial velocity, and what is the final velocity here? Huma, can you hear me?
33.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. 33 meter per second. Okay, we have given initial velocity and final velocity. And what is the next quantity term we have given? Which is the
My
next
10
term?
seconds.
What?
10 seconds.
So what is this? What is 10 second? Second represent the second क्या चीज रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा होता है? कौन सी क्वांटिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है?
Increases velocity. क्या था?
टाइम. ओके,
Time. Yes.
seconds represent the time, meter per second represent the velocity, meter per second square represent the acceleration. Simple. Okay, we have given time of 10 seconds. Okay class, we finally made arrange the values in a data. Then our next heading we have required. Okay, हमारा required required. Okay, okay. Next required. So what we have to find out? हमें find out क्या करना है?
Acceleration.
Very good. We have to find out acceleration, which is represented by small a. Okay. Then the third part of the numerical is solution, and solution we have given. So which formula is applying? Which formula we will put here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See the data and give me the answer. Which formula we will apply here? The which
3.
formula? Yes, yes.
Acceleration minus VF minus VF.
Very good. You as why? Because you have given VI value, you have given VF, and you have given time. So third number formula we will as we A is equal to for numerical, very important. Make a list of formulae, then need practice, do practice, and then you can easily solve the numerical problem. And I will give you in the homework also. Okay, VF minus VI, and then divided by VF minus VI divided by time. Okay. Now how to put the values in the formula? Well, values हम किस तरह put करेंगे formula में as given in question? Yes class, tell me what is VF? VF कितनी given है हमें?
11.
33? No, VF given
33
minus then
माइनस देन कितना होगा माइनस
11.
yes minus 11. Okay, and we will put into the bracket because of and upon time. What is the value of time here? Time की value कितनी given है?
10 seconds.
Okay. Now tell me the solution of the question. Simplify. अब इसको simplify करना है. 11 minus that sorry 33 minus 11 becomes subtract 33 11 from 33 33 में से 11 minus कर दीजिए क्या आंसर आएगा? Yes class, I know the answer but you tell me. It's your calculations. Subtract 11 from 33. Answer me class. It's not a difficult question. 11 minus 33 becomes 22. Don't you know the subtraction? Divided by 10. Now, अब हमने इसको divide करना है. You can use calculator to find out the values. Next time आप लोग calculator लेके बैठिएगा, ठीक है? 22 divided by 10 become 2.2. Is there any confusion? We
No.
got our answer. ये देखिए ये हमने आंसर यहाँ पे फाइंड आउट कर लिया है. ओके, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यू राइट द वैल्यूज इन द गिवन फॉर्मूला एंड फाइंड आउट द आंसर. ठीक है, ये हमने आंसर फाइंड आउट कर लिया. इज देयर एनी कंफ्यूजन अदर स्टूडेंट? हुमा, आयशा?
No.
Okay, acceleration from unit is or meter per second square, and please don't forget to mention the unit because unit has 1 mark. अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखा, if you not write in the test or in exam, that's mean it takes 1 mark and you will lose your 1 mark. Okay, अगर आपने ये नहीं लिखा तो आप अपना 1 mark lose कर देंगे. Okay, next question we have data. I am now you will tell me the list of the terms. A body starting from rest. Okay, listen to me. जब कोई कार rest से start होती है, the word which is mentioned with the sentence represent the a car starting from rest. Starting from rest means its final initial velocity is इनिशियल वेलोसिटी आपके अंदाजे से क्या होगी? अकॉर्डिंग टू योर आइडिया व्हाट शुड बी द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी? क्या होगी यहाँ पर? रेस्ट रिप्रेजेंट द एनी आइडिया? 0. ओके, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम रेस्ट मीन्स यू हैव गिवन इनिशियल वेलोसिटी व्हिच इज 0 एंड देन acquires a velocity of 10 meter per second. Which is the velocity? What is this? और बाद में उसने 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड वेलोसिटी कवर की. यस क्लास, व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या गिवन है हमें? क्लास गिव मी द आंसर. ये हमें क्या गिवन है? एक्वायर्स द वेलोसिटी ऑफ 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. हेलो, कैन यू हेयर मी?
यस मिस.
तो बताइए क्या गिवन है ये हमें? 10 मीटर पर सेकेंड. यस, it's a answer me class. I'm waiting. Which velocity is this? Simple, final velocity. First we have given initial velocity which was in the rest, and then acquires मतलब उसकी velocity हो गई, उसने इतनी velocity हासिल की है. कितनी है velocity? 10 meter per second. Okay class? And in 5 second, 5 second represent ये क्या गिवन है हमें?
Time.
जी, यस. T is equal to time. We have given 5 seconds. Okay, and in required व्हाट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट, हमें मालूम क्या करना है, जल्दी से बताइए। रिक्वायर्ड में हमें क्या गिवन है, कैलकुलेट the requirement consists of two parts. In first part you will have to find out the acceleration, हमें acceleration find out करना है, और
Yes.
part B में हमें क्या find out करना है। There are two parts in
Distance.
this question. Part A you will have to find out the acceleration, and in part B you will have to find out the, part B में हमें क्या
Distance.
find out करना है, जल्दी से बताइए।
Distance covered.
Very good. Distance means capital S, because in distance in physics we will represent the distance with the S symbol. Okay. Now solution we have given, formula list I will show, as you can see in the formula solution list. Yes, control V. Okay. For part A,
Yeah, man.
or we will write the heading acceleration. Okay, which formula we will use for the acceleration? Part A, acceleration के लिए कौन सा formula use होगा? As usual, A is equal to, yes class,
VF minus VI.
very good. We have given initial velocity, we have given final velocity. Okay, there is a difference. अगर आपके पास, if you have numerical like this, if a body is starting from rest, that's mean you have given initial velocity 0. Okay, and if you have numerical like this, a car stops and a car becomes and car stops suddenly and brought in rest. अगर आपके पास इस तरह के numerical आते हैं, car stop और the car brought in rest, that's mean final velocity 0 होती है. Okay, ये याद रखिएगा, please remember it, remember my point. If you have given a car starts from rest, start from rest means you have given initial velocity is 0, and if the numerical is like a brought in rest, car is brought in rest, or the car or the brake, if we apply brake तो वो हो जाती है final velocity 0. ठीक है, 0 कब होती है ये याद रखिएगा. Okay, A is equal to VF minus VI and then divided by time. Yes class, what is the answer of what is the solution of this numerical? Divided by time, then A is equal to VF. What is the value of VF? Tell me.
10.
10 minus
10 minus
0. Okay, and then divided by time क्या है? What is the value of
5
time?
seconds.
Divided by 5. Okay, and then acceleration become A is equal to 10 minus 0. 10 minus 0. Yes class, answer me. 10 minus 0.
10.
Divided by 5. Answer will be, answer क्या आएगा? 5 1 the 5 and 5 2 the 10 meter per second square. Here we got the value of acceleration. Part A we have done it, and now we will solve the part B for S. S means distance. Okay class, you will tell me which formula we will apply, we can apply here. You have given VI, VF, T, and in part B you will calculate the S. So which formula we can apply here? Formula number 3, 1, 2 and 5. Which formula we will apply? जल्दी से बताइए कौन कौन से फॉर्मूला इसमें अप्लाई हो सकते हैं. मुझे 2-3 नजर आ रहे हैं. I can see.
Miss 4.
Yes.
4. 3.
No, 3 नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि उसमें S नहीं है. S is not involved.
Assess.
We will use 5 and 5th and 6th formula. आप इन दोनों में से कोई भी एक फॉर्मूला पिक करके सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. as like I am using the last formula we have given. When the term, आप कैसे पता चला? The term which is given in the formula, that formula you will use, okay? Just like I am using the last formula we have given, 2as is equal to VF square square minus minus V I square, okay, and then put the value according to given condition. 2 is in the formula, 2 is formula में हमें given है, तो we write it as it is. What is the value of A? A की value क्या है यहाँ पर? अभी हमने calculate की थी. Acceleration क्या है? What is the acceleration we have? ये रहा. Okay, acceleration हमारे पास ये रहा. हमने इसको calculate किया. We have given acceleration which is equal to 2. And we don't have the value of s. हमारे पास s नहीं है, तो हम इसको as it is लिखेंगे. Okay, and then what is the value of vf? Final velocity कितने given है हमें? Kindly please tell me. Final velocity क्या given है? 10. Very good. We have given 10 whole square, because in the formula we have given the square. So we'll put formula value according to, and then minus sign. Then what is the initial velocity we have given? Initial velocity हमें क्या given है? Yes class, answer me, hurry up. This is our last question. What is the initial velocity we have given? Class, I am asking very easy question. Why are you not answering me? What is the value of VI? 0. 0 square according to given condition. Okay, अब हम इसको solve करेंगे. 2 2s are
4.
4 s and equal to square of 10. Square of 10 means expand 10 2 times, just like 10 multiplied by 10 minus zeros square. 0 zeros are always 0, we know that. Here 4 as the 4 as we write it as it is. No, here we write only s is equal to 10 tens are 100, and I am shifting the 4 here is on multiplication relation. When I shift in right hand side, it comes in denominator, क्योंकि जब हम इसको यहाँ से यहाँ पुट करेंगे तो ये किस फॉर्म में आ जाएगा? डिनोमिनेटर में आ जाएगा. Yes, 100 divided by 4. If you have any confusion, next time please calculator we can use. Okay, 2 1s are 2, we cut it out, simplify. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and then 2 5s are 10 and 0 as it is. Okay, and now further we will divide the 50 with 2. So answer will be 25. So here 2 1s are 2 and 5 is not the multiple of 2, so we will 2 2s are 4 and 1 is given carry, and it become 2 5s are 10. Okay class, and then the final answer of the distance is s is equal to 25. What is the unit of distance? Meter. Okay, meter. Is there any confusion in this formula, in this numerical?
No.
Any other student?
No.
Clear है सबको? Okay. अब मैं आपको यहाँ पर formula, I will give you the homework through the WhatsApp. So please try to solve the numericals according to. और आप लोगों का वाइवा अब नेक्स्ट क्लास में होगा, उसके बाद हम आगे मूव करेंगे. बड़ा फिर जो है आप लोगों की क्लासेस में कंडक्ट उस वक्त करूंगी जब आप लोग वाइवा मुझे देंगे. आपका टेस्ट है नेक्स्ट क्लास में. प्लीज स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिस. दिस इज अ टाइम. अल्लाह हाफिज क्लास.
अल्लाह